Hey there, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I want to share a Python package that I published on PyPy, which is called S3 Incremental File Processor. This is a simple Python package which allows you to process files in an incremental fashion from Amazon S3 buckets. Whether it's CSV, Excel, JSON, or Parquet, this will take care of it. This Python library also takes care of checkpointing, meaning when you have processed the files, you can invoke a method called commit. So the next time when you process, it's only gonna retrieve new files moving forward. This Python package has an ability to reset bookmarks. So in case if you wanna process everything and you wanna delete the checkpoint, you can invoke a method reset bookmark. Not only that, this Python package also supports batching. So for example, let's say you have 15 objects on your S3. And let's say the batch size is set to 5. In this case, if you run first time, you're gonna get the first 5 files. Next time, you're gonna get the next 5. Third time, the next 5. And the fourth time, you will have no files. So batching is also taken care in this particular Python library. Not only that, I've also taken care of all the edge cases that you might encounter. Let's say a producer is producing messages on S3 and it's doing threading, right? So inside several threads, they're all uploading file to object store. In that case, the last modified or the file timestamp would be same, right? So this particular library also takes care of that use case as well. So now let me show you how to use that. So to use this library, you can come to PyPy and you can install that by simple pip3 install S3IncrementalProcessor and come to terminal and do a pip install. And here you can see requirement already satisfied. Now for a demo purposes, I have my object store here. As you can see, I have about 15 files in this object store. Now how to use this particular library? Very easy to use. First step, you from S3IncrementalProcessor, import S3IncrementalProcessor. You provide the path from where you want to read the data files, right? You provide the checkpoint path where you want to store your checkpoint, right? Then you say processor.get new files. This also takes a batch size. So if you set the so right now I have 15 files, right? If I run it, I will get the first 5 files, then the next 5 and the next 5, and the fourth run I should get no files, right? So this library will take care of that as well. So let me show you. Let me manually go ahead and delete the checkpoint here. And then I'll show you here in a second. Okay, so now after getting the new files, I iterate over the new files and I print the files. Of course, here you can add your processing logic. And after all the files I've processed, I invoke a method processor.commit checkpoint. So the next time it knows from where it needs to start. And if you want to reset the bookmark, you can invoke a method reset checkpoint. So let me comment out actually the reset checkpoint. And I will copy this particular code and run it in a second. So Python 3, as you can see, the first 5 files I've processed, the checkpoint has been committed, right? Now again, I'm gonna run, since there are 15 files, I'll see the next 5 files, right? Clearing the terminal, and again, I'm gonna run it. So I'm gonna see the next 5 files. Now, if I run it for the 4th time, there is no files to process. Takes care of it, or it takes care of all those logic, right? So yes, this is a Python package that I have published. I hope you will enjoy, and I hope companies, organization will use it. The code is there on my GitHub as well. You can check it out. That's all I have for the video. Keep smiling, keep programming. I'll see you in the next video.